Welcome! In front of me I have LG K22 and I'm going to show you how we can apply screen protector on this device. So at the first we have to turn off our device. So press the power key, hold and then select power off option. Right now we have to open our box where we can find protection glass. And here it is. And inside, unfortunately, we cannot find stickers to take off a piece of the dust from the screen, but also we can make it by using this wave. So I'm going to show you how we can get it. But at the first, let's start with cleaning our screen. As you can see, it's very messy. Here we got a lot of fingerprints and other mess. So let's use this wet. Remember to have good light, good source of the light to see a very kind of the mess on your screen, like in my case. It's very important. And let's start with cleaning the screen. Okay, and right now let's go with the dry wipe. You can also use other wipe to clean the screen, something like that. Okay, and I think that right now our screen is in really good condition, so we are able to install tempered glass. But just take a look at the screen, and here I can find some pieces of the dust, so we have to simply take it off by using our wipe. Just make these gestures. Okay, right now let's pick the glass. Take off this foil. And right now we have to start putting this screen from the upper section of the screen, like that, and keep holding the bottom part. And right now, just simply press right here. As you can see, it goes also almost automatically. So just put the bottom part. We can press with our finger to do it faster. And if you got some bubbles of the air, you have to just press it with your finger. But as you can see, it looks really good right now. Right now we can turn on our device. So click and hold power button. Okay, and as you can see, our device is turned on and we can easily use the device. We don't have any problem with the touchscreen, so we don't have to be afraid of putting the glass protection on the device. And of course, you don't have to be also afraid of any scratches or the breaks in the screen. And we can also put here our protection case. And as you can see, here it is. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!